Hello students, today we're going to go over the essay example by Mrs. Smith, or actually student sample. It's the essay example. So this is the CERCA essay. So we're looking for claim, evidence, reasoning, and audience. I'll give you a little hint. This essay written by this sample essay is loaded with evidence in the first few paragraphs. So this video will be a little bit longer, but I will read it and I will give you the claim, I will give you the evidence, and I will give you the reasoning. However, unlike the previous credit, I will not give you the audience. You will have to find the audience somewhere in this essay. Now I'll give you a hint. It's either in paragraph 3 or in paragraph 4. You just have to find it. But okay, let's get started. This essay is titled Standing Up for Disability. All right. Historically, people with disabilities have suffered different forms of wrongdoing. Dancing with a Disability and Just Call Me Frank both shows unfortunate examples of people with different abilities being called insulting terms. Both articles demonstrate ways in which others stood up for people with disabilities and managed to change the language used to describe them. So this sentence right here, both articles demonstrated ways in which others stood up for people with disabilities and managed to change the language used to describe them. That right there, that is our claim. So let's put a box around this. These two right here. And right there, that counts as our box. Now we have our claim. All right, let's keep reading. Let's look for evidence, reasoning, and audience. Now to underline, you just simply go to your drawing tool and you pick a very thin stroke. I'm gonna pick thickness stroke 1. All right. Dancing with a Disability showed a variety of strategies. After the woman at the studio called Allison a negative word, Allison's mother tells the woman why she is wrong and refuses to support that business. Allison's mother confronts her daughter and tells her why the insulting words do not apply to Allison. This gives Allison the confidence to understand that she does not have a problem. In the text, it says, she may not be able to stop other people from calling her mean words, but she knows it is their problem, not hers. And they give the citation as dancing. So in this article, right here, the second sentence, after the woman at the studio called Allison a negative word, Allison's mother tells the woman why she is wrong and refuses to support that business. That right there is our first piece of evidence. All right. And it actually continues all the way to the following sentence. Allison's mother confronts the daughter and tells her why the insulting words do not apply to Allison. So this entire second paragraph is loaded with evidence. All right. And one of the neat things about this particular sentence, this one in the middle, this one is actually evidence. Not evidence, reasoning. That sentence right there. Allison's mother confronts her daughter and tells her why the insulting words do not apply to Allison. So that sentence right there, that's a reason. And it goes on to say, this gives Allison the confidence to understand that she does not have a problem. In the text, it says, she may not be able to stop other people from calling her mean words, but she knows it is their problem, not hers. So this second to last sentence, this gives Allison the confidence to understand. That alone in itself, that is another reason. So we can actually put a check mark right here. All right, let's move on to the third paragraph. Remember, we're looking for evidence, reason, and audience. In Just Call Me Frank, instead of just explaining to one person why their choice of words is harmful, Frank writes a letter to the Denver Post and tells many people about how to change their behavior. The next year, the government passes Rosa's Law, which helped remove the word retarded from government documents and laws. Just Call Me Frank is a citation. Frank's actions impacted how the government language refers to people with disability. So Frank's actions impacted how government language refers to people in disability. Now, that's a very important sentence. Now, that can be used as both evidence and reasoning because we have proof that it impacted how government language refers to people. So, but for this purpose, let's just use reasoning. So this sentence is reasoning. However, the previous sentence where it says the next year the government passed Rosa's law, which helped remove the word retarded from government documents and laws. So that right there is another piece of evidence because we know it happened. So we can underline that second to last sentence. Now, if you want to, you can keep it yellow, purple. You can vary the colors, or you can keep it all black if you choose. Just remember that we're putting our claim in the boxes. We are underlining our evidence, and we're putting check marks next to the reason. Now, whenever you find audience, if you find in any of these paragraphs, make sure that you put an asterisk. On most keyboards, you have to press Shift and number 8. And that gives you this symbol right there. In fact, let me show you. I'm pressing Shift and the number 8. And there you go. See, there you have your asterisk. All right, so I'll finish reading this last paragraph just because I feel like I have to. All right. Allison's mother and Frank used many strategies to stop the use of negative, harmful language to describe people with different abilities. They addressed people directly when they use negative language, stopped supporting businesses that use negative language, and educated the public, and encouraged laws that stopped harmful language from being included in official government documents. Again, so this second sentence is a run-on sentence, but again, it's a student example, not a college professor example. All right, last sentence. Actions like these influence how people with disabilities are viewed and treated by society. All right, so all you need to find is the audience, and as I told you at the beginning of the video, it's either in this third paragraph or in this fourth paragraph. That's it for now. If you need any help, email me or just leave a private comment in the Google Classroom. Have a nice day.